Hello?
Yes, hi there. Is this painting?
Yes, speaking.
Hi, this is Daniel. I'm actually here to sell you something. Do you want to hear me out or hang up?
Yeah, sure. Go ahead.
So I do marketing for local businesses, help you generate more business through leads. I do it through optimizing your Google business profile. So you rank higher and generate more leads. That's something be interested
Okay.
you?
Yeah, I've been kind of doing that myself for the past couple of months. I started doing it in January. I've been getting a lot of calls from other people offering the same thing. I just haven't really decided what I want to do yet.
Quick question. What have you tried doing so far? You told me that you've been doing it yourself.
Added all the information, that kind of thing.
Makes sense. With Google business profile optimization is a couple of things. Your website, what I see is you have services and you have service areas. That one is optimized. Another thing is connecting the business to all the listings on all platforms, Google Maps, Apple Maps, basically so that your name shows up in all possible search engines so that it's all interconnected. That's number one. Number two is obviously making sure that your Google business profile is complete and you're posting consistently on your Google business profile. And the most important one, Google reviews, because right now you have 20. So what I will not give you fake leads that will trigger Google flags.
Right.
No. I don't do that. That is illegal. I will set up an automation for your business where it's one click of a button for you when you complete a project so that we send SMS and emails, not intrusive, not spammy, to your clients, asking them to kindly to leave you a review, not intrusive. So that way we start ramping the reviews. Very important for Google. Google not only looks at number, for example, some of your competitors have like hundreds, right? But then it doesn't matter if there is no velocity, frequency of reviews, how much and how often, because we need to be generating fresh reviews. It's not just the number. So we're going to do that. We're going to optimize business profile. We're going to link all the listings so that we are visible everywhere, and that helps all the search engines. And one last thing, which is the fourth piece of the puzzle, is your phone number, because right now you're answering yourself, which is okay. But what we want to do as well, because Google also analyzes how fast you respond to callers. What we want to do is we want to install the missed call text back. So when you are unavailable, we send an automated message saying, hey, sorry we missed your call. This is how can we help you? What type of a painting project you're looking for, right? So we right away initiate the conversation so that they don't slip through the cracks and they don't start calling your competitors. We right away catch them. You know what I mean? So those are the 4 pieces of the puzzle.
Okay.
If we do just that, that's going to be like a super solid foundation building your search engine long term. So you start ramping up.
All right. So how would it work? Do I give you my login, or how does that work when you guys optimize my page? You tell me what to do, or how does that work?
So basically, I have a software. I will give you a login. You don't have to know how to use it. You can log in and you integrate all your softwares, like your social media, your Google business profile. I'm not going to know your passwords. You just, from your computer, you're going to sync it with the software. And then I will take it from there.
Okay. Yeah. If you want to send me like a rough contract, your information, I'm driving right now, so I'm interested. I've been meaning to get this done a long time ago, right? But I've just been,
Okay, let's do that. What email should I send it to? Or maybe I can just send it to your phone number if you want.
Send my phone number to my email as well, just so I can read it on my computer.
Yeah.
Painting.ca.
Got it.
Oh, thank you.
We'll speak soon. Yeah, bye-bye. So I got the confirmation to pitch him, and I'm going to create a quick Loom video for him showing what it's going to look like. Because if they have a hard time understanding what it is that I'm going to be doing, it's much harder for them to trust me to say yes and to pay me money. So I'm going to dumb it down for this guy and explain all the value that he's going to get. One thing that I will use first is the high level feature prospecting. This one does marketing audits. So I will do add prospect here. I'm gonna get his business name, paste it here, location, and then I click search. It found the guy over here. I click add. Now we'll scroll down a little and click add prospect. Okay, so it finished processing. This is how it looks. We have different sections. Some sections I unselected. What I like is that you click this button, share report, and then copy link. As you can see here, very professional, my name in the top, my website, email, phone number, and the full report. It gives us the overall score of 41%, and it explains everything and the reasons why it's that low. For example, business details. There's no chat widget on the website, and website hosting could be better. Text-enabled business number is good, but we can still connect our high-levels phone number so that we have the missed call text back. Review replies, but we still need to generate reviews. And then the listings is where the most businesses are usually lacking. And in GoHighLevel, there is a tool that we can connect and basically will update all listings like TripAdvisor, Yelp, Facebook, Google, even Waze. And it will also create backlinks, which is very important for SEO. We have our online reputation at 59% because we don't have enough reviews, and we have a very long response time. It then outlines the reviews that don't have the responses, examples of positive reviews, and it would give examples of negative reviews as well if there were any. And then we scroll down to the SEO analysis with the heat map. And as you can see, it looks pretty bad. In the faraway corners, pretty much invisible, and in the closest area, it's only 6th place. What I also like is that there are buttons everywhere to contact us, the agency. At the very bottom, connect now, and in the top right corner. When we click that, it will just go to our website. It's super cool, and it's a shareable link that we can send to anyone by email, SMS, WhatsApp, social media. And every month we have 5 premium reports for free. So if you're not using them, you're missing out. But even if we run out of the premium reports, we still have the unlimited basic reports. So my plan for this guy, I'm going to send the report to him. And then I'm also recording a Loom explaining what's in the report, the reasons for those problems, and how we can fix them. First one is reviews. So we're going to generate them. We're going to repost them everywhere in social media and also as Google Business Profile posts. Then we have listings, which is this section over here. We're going to optimize them, creating backlinks, all of that good stuff for SEO purposes. And then we're going to optimize Google Business Profile, linking it to GoHighLevel and making sure that it's the highest score by filling out all the important information. And also reposting reviews as Google Business Profile posts will also help with the optimization. The fourth one is speed to lead, the missed call text back. I will show them how my missed call text back works for my clients and on my website. I will tell him, hey, if you call this number and I do not pick up, then you will receive an SMS message. So that's missed call text back. And then live chat, I'm not selling him AI virtual receptionist because that's more money and he's going to be on basic plan for now, and social media auto response. So he's going to link his social media to GoHighLevel, and then every time somebody messages his business anywhere, it's going to go into one inbox, and then we're going to send them a one-time message saying, hey, you've reached this business. This is name of the owner. How can I help you today? And then when they answer, we collect that information and send to him, right? So he doesn't have to be on his phone all the time checking his messages, right? He only needs to receive messages with summarized information, phone number, name, what the project is about. That's it, right? He doesn't have to go back and forth messaging people. Anyway, so those are the 4 things. This is an example of the GoHighLevel Google Reviews AI, which automatically responds to Google reviews. And then those reviews are posted, as you can see here, as updates in Google Profile. And also they are posted in social media and Instagram. And it's both posts and stories. Then I'm going to show him one of my automations straight from inside of the GoHighLevel. I'm going to show him, hey, here's our Google Reviews AI system, and this is how it looks from the inside. So once you finish painting, then your clients will receive messages like this. Hello name, this is name with location. Me and the team are excited to know how you would rate your customer experience with us out of 5. Please reply with the number 1 to 5 if you can. And then it goes into AI filtering process where ChatGPT analyzes their responses, and based on if it's positive or negative, we either send them to Google Reviews or we collect it internally. The live chat I can just show on my website like this, and then I will show that when they call my number, for now it's set to like a music voicemail thing, just so that I can show them how the missed call works. So I'm going to wait a couple of seconds and then I'm going to, just got a message. So this is how it looks. Hey there, this is Daniel with Grippin Digitals. Sorry, can't talk right now. How can I help you today? Right? So all of this is like a quick demo. We record it, we send it over with the report over here. Then we just wait for them to reply. And then if they don't reply to the email, then I'll just call them tomorrow to follow up. Have you checked the report? Have you checked my Loom? Yes, no, maybe. And yeah, we just keep doing that. So I've just finished recording the Loom. It's about 5 minutes long. And the cool thing about Loom is you can generate GIFs like this that you can insert in emails so that people who open the email, they can quickly see that, it's actual video and it's not a spammy link. And also the link to the report is also in email. I know this email could be better, but honestly, I'm just tired. It's almost like 1 a.m. I don't care. As long as he opens the email, I will then just call him up and say, hey, what's up? I would rather just take more action than make it perfect. It's good enough. and I'm just gonna click send. One cool thing also, I have this plugin that can tell me if they viewed it or not. You see that small like eyeball over there? So once it turns green, then I know he opened it. And then I can just right away call him up or send him a message, which is pretty cool. The plugin that I use there is called Streak CRM for Gmail. That one, it's free. I've never paid a single cent for it, and I've been using it for the last 4 years. Pretty cool stuff. One of the many mistakes that I did is that I forgot to collect his name. So that's why in the email, instead of hey name, I just say, hey, this is Daniel. We had a call earlier. Well, unfortunate, but next time. By the way, I have this community. It's free on School, which is called One Client Away Challenge. Just again, I'm trying to show that if you take messy action and you're not embarrassed of getting no's, eventually you're going to get a yes. And then when you get a yes, you figure out how to deliver. But then again, if you don't know how to do something in high level, here's how you can figure it out. You can use Ask AI in the top left corner, like how do I optimize Google Business Profile? What about listings? How do I set them up? And then still, if you have questions, you can click this question mark and you can jump on a Zoom call live with a high level technical support that can guide you what to do. But then still, if you have questions, you can click this high level courses button and then it will navigate here, and then you go to High Level University, and then inside you have 45,000 members who you can ask questions, and then when you go to learning, you just have a bunch of additional courses over here, like this lesson on why most businesses lose leads and conversations and how to fix it, or this one, how to create an AI powered chatbot. But regardless, the most important thing is actually taking action, and that's why I created this One Client Away challenge. Take messy action, have conversations with your local community. Your niche doesn't matter. Start with what you know, who you know. If you have a dad who's a plumber, if your mom is a med spa owner, or you've done work somewhere and you know that industry, that's it. That's your entry point because you already know the lingo. You know how they talk, you know what they need. Worst case scenario, you don't know where to start, just ask ChatGPT, just start having conversations. Like Jamal here, he booked an intro call, then demo call, closed the website plus local service ads for $300 per month plus 1,500 setup. And if you want to know like a hands-on, step-by-step setup of the reputation management, basically how to generate reviews, you can watch this video over here. Or if you want to know how to create AI agents like AI receptionist or AI chatbots, you can watch this video over here. I will guide you there step by step how to do it.